So please join me to invite Professor Dr. Shahrul Bahyah Kamaruzzaman as she delivers her journey in her inaugural lecture entitled Reimagine Aging in Malaysia, Finding the Perfect Balance.
I had lots of good friends there, and therefore I went on from learning geriatrics under Granville Morris. I think Dr. Tunku Muzaffar, you did your geriatric registrarship over there. I was an SHO under Granville, learning about stroke and Parkinson's, and that was the best time, and it really, really consolidated my love of managing older people.